Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to start an Proteus design suite series. It is an PCB designing and simulation software, so you can learn how to create circuits and how to run them, and finally creating PCB designs. It also consists of an 3D visualizer and Gerber viewer. So you can use these features to create your own circuit, taking to next level and creating PCB. Finally, make your own circuit board. So let's get started. Welcome back. If you want to build a project but you don't have materials and also you don't know whether the project works or not, in that case you can use this Proteus design software. Here you can build your circuits and virtually run them. You can get the output and finally whether your project works or not. Basically, Proteus Design Suite is an high-end PCB designing software for high integrated circuits like processors, chips, etc. We can also use this software for simulation purpose. For starters, so you don't have materials for building your project. Here you can build with integrated libraries. You can drag and drop into the schematic capture, and you can connect through auto wire or manually. After connecting, you can place anything you want, like if you want to place a motor or LED at the output, so you can clearly see what would happen in the output. In the bottom section there should be an play button is there, so you can press the play button. It automatically starts simulation. It has an powerful simulation software, so in real time you can see what happens in the circuit. And also if you want to build the circuit, you can go for next level, that is called PCB designing. When you connecting the circuit in the schematic diagram, it automatically captures everything that what you are connecting from one point to another point, and it captures everything that you are connecting in that circuit. If you go for PCB designing, just you can drag the components into the PCB layout. The wires are connected automatically, but these are in irregular positions. So if you want to build a clean and neat tracks, there is an feature called auto router. Is an excellent feature that is mainly used for starters, because if you are a starter, you can, if you want to build a PCB but you don't know how to route the track, so you can easily use this feature. Just clicking on the auto router button automatically connects everything. After creating PCB, if you want to look how your PCB looks like, there should option called 3D visualizer. You can use that 3D option and you can see the board that is you created. So you can check whether the input and output pins are at correct positions or not by using the 3D visualizer option. So I'm going to start the Proteus design suite tutorials. If you are interested, you can subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you can get the notifications when I uploaded a video. Thank you for watching this video.